Hello everyone, I am Supriya Lohar. I am working as an assistant professor at All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I am going to talk about a problem which is asked in GATE examination and also related to entropy. So let us consider this problem. An analog signal is band limited to 100 kHz. Is sampled at Nyquist rate and samples are quantized into 4 message symbols that occurred independently with probabilities P1 is equal to P4 is equal to 0.125 and P2 is equal to P3. The information rate of the signal is, you have to write down answer. I find this kind of problem more difficult than problems with the options, because here not only you have to calculate the information rate, you have to write down its unit also. So keep in mind you have to write unit of the parameter also in such kind of problems. So let us solve this. Now we have to calculate information rate, that is capital R is equal to small r into h of x. Where small r is number of symbols per second, that is your baud rate, and h of x is entropy of the source. So now consider problem statement again, that analog signal is band limited to 100 kHz and such a signal is sampled at Nyquist rate. Nyquist rate is Fs is equal to 2 Fmax. So what is band limited? That is maximum signal frequency of the signal is 100 kHz. So your Fmax is 100 kHz and Fs is equal to 2 Fmax, that is 2 into 100 kHz, that will give you 200 kHz samples per second. This is nothing but your small r, baud rate. So now we have to calculate h of x, but for the h of x you have to know probability of all four symbols that is mentioned in the problem statement. So we are going to use the one characteristics of the probabilities, that is sum of probabilities of outcome of an event must be equal to 1. So if we apply this to our problem, so sum of all source symbols should be equal to 1. So summation k starts from 1 to and pk is equal to 1. So sum of all 4 symbols P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 is equal to 1. So write down values of the probability mentioned in the problem statement. So P1 is 0.125 and P4 is 0.125. And also P2 is equal to P3 is given. So accordingly what we have is 0.125 0.125 plus P2 plus P2 plus 0.125 is equal to 1. Now I am always comfortable with the unit fraction rather than using decimal fraction. So obviously it's a personal choice. If you are comfortable with the decimal fraction, you can use 0.125. But I'm going to write this 0.125 as 1 by 8. One more benefit of writing this 0.125 as 1 by 8. We are going to solve. We are going to calculate h of x. So if number is in the if you can express the number as a power of 2, then it will be very simple to solve the entropy problem. So I'm writing 0.125 as 1 by 8 plus 2p2 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So this 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, that will become 2 by 8, that is 2 by 8 is 1 by 4 plus 2p2 is equal to 1. So 2p2, 1, this 1 by 4 is shifted to right hand side and that will become minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So 2p2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So p2 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. So p2 is equal to 3 by 8. As p2 is equal to p3, p3 is also equal to 3 by 8. So this is probability of OR so symbols. Now keep in mind, two symbols is having same probabilities, that is 1 by 8, and remaining two symbols is having same probabilities, that is 3 by 8. That is simplifies your calculation of the h of x. So write down the formula for entropy, that is summation k starts from 1 to n pk into log 1 upon pk base 2. So we are having four symbols. So summation k will start from 1 to 4 pk into log 1 upon pk base 2. So write down all the values of probabilities for the four source symbol. As we know, two symbols is having same probability, that is 1 by 8, and remaining two symbols is having same probability, that is 3 by 8. So this simplifies calculation further. So by using these two formulas, log 2 raised to x base b, that is x itself, and log x base b is equal to log x divided by log b. So you can do remaining calculation, and what we get is h of x is equal to 1.811 bits per symbol. So finally what we have to calculate is information rate. So information rate, capital R is equal to small r into h of x. So small r is 200 into 1.811, that will give you 262.25 bits per second. Now this answer you have to write down, that is 262.25 bits per second with unit. Keep in mind. Thank you.